Welcome back to the second part class of HTML. In this class we are going to see about two things. One is about tables. The other one is about the normal lists which are given in this HTML file. So first we will see list and then we will go to table. Okay. Now the list means, say we are going to we want to give certain list in the web page. So if you want to give a list in the web pages, then you will choose three options. One is ordered list you can create, or you can create unordered list, or you can create a description list. So there are three options. One is an order, another one is an unordered, the other one is a description list. And then as usual, if you want to give some attribute to the list, that is, for example, if you are giving an unordered list, if you want to give a bullets like square like bullets or round like bullets, you can use the options of style, property, value options. Like this, you can give list style disk. This is give a round shape, radio button shape. The list will be provided here. Similarly, in the case of ordered list, you want to give the numbers as a Roman number 1 to 3 want to give, then you have to use this attribute like type is equal to 1, so it will give a list of ordered list with the number 1 to 3. So these are the tags which are generally given to the ordered list or unordered list preparation. If you want to prepare unordered list, you will give a key of UL, and if you want to give an ordered list, you will give a word of OL, and then if you want to give an list items, which will given the tag of LI, and if you want to give a description list, you will use a DL code, and then if you want to give a description term, then it should be defined with DT, and then the description data will be given with the tag TD. Now we will see a simple text to explain this particular list options in HTML. Now as usual, we will type the codes, HTML codes in a emulator or in a notepad. See, after typing the code, you have to save this file, and here you can see we created one unordered list, and which will contain a square for its listing options, and then we create an ordered list which will contain the value of type Roman number, and then we create a description list which will contain data item is genbank, and data description data is going to be the single line. So we created all the three different types of list in this particular page. Now we will save the file and we will see the output in browser. See, now we have the unordered list with the square, and then ordered list with the Riemann number, and then description list with this description. So this is how list can be easily created in the HTML file. Like this, now we will see how tables are created by using this HTML. Say if you want to give a table, you have to give all the table informations within a table tag, which is known as table/table. And then within the table, each rows are defined by tr tag, and then data in the rows are defined by the td. So in each table, you should have a tag like table tag, and then rows are indicated by tr, and in addition to this row, how many columns you want is decided by the tag which is given as td. Like in other tags, we can also give attributes, values to this particular tables, like table background color and table the border of the table. You can give attributes, and then table heads you can give the number of columns, number of rows can be given with the tag of column span and row span. These are the other attributes which will be given to the tables in addition to the normal table tags. So again, you can see this is a simple program for the table. See here, and then if you look at this, whole table comes in this particular tag of table to table. The other is normal HTML tags, and this part which is highlighted here will contain the definition for a table. See here, these are the things which will be given as an additional attribute to a table, like table border, cell padding, cell spacing, border color, PG color, width, height of the table and width of the table. PG color is given here, and then border color is given as a green. Cell spacing, there is the what is the size of the cell can be given here, and then the distance between the two cells can be given, and then the thickness of the border can be given like this. So we can give attributes to the table here. Then the table starts with the caption of, this is caption option, and then table will have a heading by giving the tag thead. Within that you can give a heading, and then within that you can see each rows are indicated by tr, and then the data is given with the tag of td. Similarly, in the next line we will give informations for column 1 and column 2 by using this tr and tags, and then here also you can see tr and td. So when you give information under the heading of th, it will give as a bold letter. And similarly, you can also assign the alignment of the table. So you can align the data either in a center or left hand side or right hand side by giving proper tags. Here you can see this, we are aligning the data in this particular rows 2 and column 1, rows 2, column 2 and the center. Now you save the file and you can see the output in a browser. You can see here, this is the caption, this is the heading, and this is where we are centered the data as the center one, and this bolded region indicates that we give a code of th, you can see here, and then when we give alone td, it will give output of simply the information. And this is the part of the footer of the table, which is given the code of foot. So if you give any information with foot, like here you can see it will come at the bottom of the table. So like this, you can give a heading for the table, you can give a footer for the table, you can give the information in the table. So this is how you can simply create tables by using this HTML file. So this is the end of the second part of this HTML program.